Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making Salty Mariner, and this fragrance was on sale. You could get 16 ounces for $10 from BeScented. They run a lot of those specials 2 or 3 times a month. So I just snagged this one a couple weeks ago, and I'm just making it. I did speed up this video a bit. I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's a little boring to watch me pour oils all the time. In fairness, if you're going to watch the video, my memory card cut out right after I mix the colors, so you don't see anything of the pour, but you do see the cut. So thought I would still post the video because sometimes the cut's the most fun part of the soap anyway. But anyway, this fragrance is super nice. I think it's a little masculine, but I think it's also very unisex. So it's just fresh rain, lily of the valley, jasmine, pine, musk. It's really light and airy and fresh, super nice fragrance. I haven't made it in a long time, and the sale kind of reminded me that it had gone out of stock for me a while ago. So brought it back. I'm just going ahead and mixing in my TD and gonna get all the colors together. And then the video unfortunately does cut out. So at least you can see the cut of the video. So I'll bring you guys back for the cut. And bring you back for the cut. Really happy with how this soap turned out. Smells really good at the cut, and I did my typical kind of chopstick swirl, so it came out really nice. Really like the contrast of the colors, and I feel like it fit the bar pretty well. If you watch a lot of my videos, I'm doing activated charcoal and a lot of my soaps, so really like the contrast of these colors. And again, it smells really great, so enjoy the cut, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.